Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to look at my sticker haul from Fern Creek Stickers. I mentioned them in a previous video a couple of times probably. She's closing down her shop. The owner's name is Elizabeth, and she's having sales to try to clear out her inventory. So I decided to grab some stuff at a discounted price. I would suggest checking to see if she's still open and has anything that you might be interested in. But in the meantime, check it out. The Erin Condren book stand kind of stands. It's like way wobbly on this side and way hard to move on this side. So something's definitely like not right with this thing. But I did put the cousin on it and it did hold it. So I guess it can hold a book. It's very, very bizarre. I'm just going to put this over here for now. All right, so I unpackaged everything so that we don't have to deal with that noise. But she sent a bag of freebies with this nice sticker on it. Let's get that off the screen because it glares. So I figured we would start with those. So we've got some appointment labels with a lot of yellow. We've got some green two-tone labels. We've got ombre boxes, which I do love. We've got a nice pastel functional sheet. We've got some doodles. We've got two-tone labels. More appointment labels. Ooh, scripts. I like that. And kit 137, a sidebar, and kit 166, a sidebar. So I think that's a good mix of stuff and useful stuff, and that makes it really awesome to receive. Let's get on to what we bought. So we'll start with the weeks. I also got cousin stuff, but we'll start with the weeks. So I got this kit. So they're 2-page kits. And this is a weekly kit. This one is Polar Plunge. Yeah, so we've got polar bears and they've got all kinds of hot beverages and they're on sleds. So that's cute. So we've got a lot of boxes, scallop boxes. We've got these over here, the washi strips, the side for the dates, date dots, more little scripts and some deco over here. So these are nice kits. This one, which is very pretty. So this is Fresh Beginning. So it's a nice pastel. You guys know I like pastels. It's not overly bright. It's a little muted. This is probably good for like a February. I mean, there is a butterfly and some flowers, so maybe it's supposed to be springy, but I think it's in between enough that I can get away with it. I think that's a good one. And then this one is definitely for January or February because we're dealing with snow. I think this is really cute. I think this is good for winter. It is currently freezing here. It's like, I don't know, 15 degrees out. It's windy. We had a little bit of snow. It was really nothing great. And now we're going to have more snow this weekend, which messes up my plans. Okay. This is kit 234. So let's see if we can find out what that one is. This one is called Rust and Royal, which I guess it's like a rusty brown and a royal blue kind of deal. It's cute. This will be good for sometime in the spring. If I forget about it, it'll be good for the fall. So it's not really a huge problem. They don't really scream any particular season. At least I don't think they do. And now we have kit 216, which is Beach Bliss. So yeah, we've got seashells and stuff, palm trees. So this is definitely a summer weekly kit. It's very pretty. I love the colors here and the seashells. They're like seriously detailed seashells. And the last week's kit is 206. Which is not on this page. It's on this one. It's called Bold Spring. I'll go with bold. This looks like jelly beans, right? So maybe we'll use this for whatever week Easter is this year. Who knows? Yeah, that's cute. I like these colors. It's a good mix of washi. Decent words, some nice boxes. I love the habit trackers. Okay, so that's the week's kits. All right, so now we're going to move on to the Hobonichi cousin. I got some interesting stuff. Like I said, it's a clearance sale, so you know, not everything is available. So I got this July monthly for the cousin. So you've got your July and washi and holidays boxes, the date dots, some arrows, days of the week. So that's pretty good for the monthly on the cousin because it's small. So that one's July. I also grabbed, and yes, I know it passed, but you know, there will be another one in 2025. So this is a December. And this one is also a December. There's a reason, just, you know, breathe. There's a reason for it. And this is a September. So of the ones that were still available, these are the ones that I liked. Setup's pretty much exactly the same on them all, which is fine with me. And they have the correct holidays. Now, I have three more sheets, and they each go with this. They match. So there's a reason that I did this. So I was thinking, when you go to the daily pages in the cousin, so there's that one page in the cousin at the beginning that's kind of like a currently page, and it's blank and you can put whatever you want there. So I was thinking this kind of like, this is the monthly overview, so that's what this is made for. But I've seen other places like Planner Kate, they make these too, like in, you know, different format, obviously, and colors, but they make a thing just like this too, but they make it for Erin Condren, but I think it will fit the cousin. So I wanted to try these out, which would mean decorating the pages ahead of time, or we can sacrifice one of these Decembers for the December that we didn't use in this planner and see how that works. And I think we might do that. We'll go with this one. So we'll do the whole December thing for 2024 just to see how it looks. Or we could do December 2025. It'll just be decorated ahead. Yeah, but then I have to remember where these are if I need the stickers. Let's do last year, because I have the cool green one, and I still have all the monthly kits that I got from Helen, and they did not have one for the July. So July is just July. I'm going to have to find stickers like this, assuming that I like this format elsewhere. So this is everything that I grabbed. We've got like the monthly, we've got the dashboards, and then we've got, check this out. Like seriously, what is it about my house? I don't understand. Vellum and like sticker sheets, I don't get it. Why do they just instantly curl? This is why I have so many sticker books, because if I leave them out, forget it. Look, they're lifting here already too. This is nuts. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.